Hi there, how are you guys doing?
Very well, thanks.
Good, thank you. Dylan from My Safety Hub, and I'm joined here today with
Yvette Glass from Evac-Chair.
Hi Yvette, and from Evac-Chair. It's quite the interesting setup you guys have here. Would you care to take me through this product that you guys provide? What exactly is a stair chair?
All right, it's an evacuation chair to get mobility impaired people out of a building in the case of an emergency. Now, when I say mobility impaired, it doesn't mean that they're just in a wheelchair.
Okay.
It could also be somebody who might have broken their leg, so a pregnant woman, somebody with pre-existing medical conditions. So if you're in a building and it's a multi-story building and you need to get the person out, the lifts aren't working, there's an emergency, this is your go-to.
Okay,
right.
yeah.
So this just glides down the stairs. So I'd like to take the opportunity of asking you to sit in the chair.
Oh, wonderful,
all right?
yes,
If you come and sit in the chair, we'll strap you in, put your feet on the blue bar in the center.
On the blue bar itself.
On the blue bar,
There we go. Thank you.
Timber, you've got that side. All right, so you get strapped into the chair.
And that was quite quick to get in this chair, eh? Yeah.
And then what happens is that Timber will wheel you, or the person will wheel you towards the stairwell for the evacuation. At the back is a kickstand.
Okay.
Timber's going to now lift you up. He's going to kick the kickstand in. Right, and then at the back here, we've got what we call V-belts. It's your black rubber belts.
Okay.
That glides you down the stairs. You don't feel it, so it glides you down the stairs and all the way down to the ground floor.
Awesome.
And then the kickstand comes out and they push you out of the building.
Fantastic.
Just to mention, very proud of the product. A gentleman, 9/11, got out of the 69th floor in one of our chairs. And if you fainted, you'll be strapped in. You'll be strapped in so you don't fall all over the place. But yeah, this is the whole idea of the evacuation chair.
Well, I must say, I feel quite safe. And in the hands of Timber here, I will feel comfortable evacuating a building, I must say.
Now, Timber is our training and maintenance officer. So we manufacture these locally in Kempton Park. Our manufacturing plant is in Kempton Park. Timber's my gentleman who goes out and does all the training and maintenance on the chairs.
So you offer a training program on the usage of these chairs as well, which is vital. That's great.
Yeah, look, it's vitally important that people take the training, because from a point of view of, you don't want to have this. We've got lots of clients who buy it and it looks like a decoration on the wall with a yellow cover, but nobody knows how to use it. So from the importance of training, this needs to be trained on, as well as annual maintenance, because it's a Class 1 medical device.
Oh, okay, so it needs to be maintained and inspected. All right, fantastic. I didn't know that, so that's a very useful tip for these guys. So that's awesome. Tell me, where can the guys get a hold of you if they need this product or training from you?
All right. First of all, they can contact us at our offices in Kempton Park.
Okay.
Our telephone number is 011 902 7573.
Fantastic.
Or they can send an email through to info@evac-chair.co.za.
Fantastic.
And I will address them.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the interview.
Timber,
roll me out. Thank you guys very much.
Thanks very much.
Take care.